Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today I'll teach you something about Urdu heading. The most of students they don't know about that how to give Urdu heading. So I think that this is not difficult. This is very easy, but you should just practice because Urdu handwriting is up to practice. If you will practice, after that you will improve writing. So look at my hand. That how to write Urdu heading. Like this. Use full pen here and this place. Then use your upper side of the pen and this. It is called ubar. Ubar mean emboss. Okay. Then make a T. Add be hasiyat. Okay. So how to write sabak? Look at this. Sabak. Look it again. Like this. Look at this. How to write qaf. Like this. And come to the below side. This is very difficult video for me because I have hold mobile on my left hand and I'm writing with the right hand. This is very difficult for me, but I'm gonna struggling just for you people. Thank you for watching me. Allah Hafiz.